Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and this is the first video on bubble.io. What is bubble.io? Let me just do a Google search. What is bubble.io? So it's a platform to build SaaS, and SaaS can be abbreviated as service as software as a service. That means you can build startup with Bubble, right? And it's a no code platform. That means you don't have to worry about the programming and stuff. You can just build your logic and then apply it in the design and workflow scenarios. So that will be basically more drag and drop rather than writing uh, really sophisticated lines of code. Loading your app, you can just log on to bubble.io, create account and create a new project. Just really simple. In this video we will talk about the elements which make it possible to work without programming, or without, I would say, coding, because programming will be there, because you have to think like a programmer and then apply your logic within this bubble, right? Let me just do some cleaning. So in the design we have these pretty much same like WordPress or any other drag and drop uh, website builder, but this thing can create fully dynamic and responsive uh, websites or web apps, even mobile apps, right? But you have to use your programming knowledge or skills. uh, Not knowledge, the mindset. Okay, so let me just show you a quick demo how we can use this tab. If I if I am on the design and I want to get a button, I can just say uh, drag and drop. This button will be appear here, and I can just say open Google, right? So this button should open Google and it will do that. But for that we have to understand the workflows. Workflow will be attached to elements on your design tab, right? And in the workflow I can define what I want to do when any of uh, these elements will be interacted. If I click on this, what should happen? Open Google. Now I should define a workflow. So I will say add workflow, and here I will say click here to add. Now all of this can be triggered based on when open Google button is clicked, right? I can sign the user up, log the user in. These are just one click and you will just sign the user and save it in your database, right? I will talk about database in a minute. Okay, and navigation, I will say go to or open an external website. Destination, I will say google.com, and let's open it in the new tab. Okay, cool. How we can use it now? When you hit the previous, this is my favorite part, you will get a public link of your website. So that means you, let's say you are working for a client and you don't want to wait him until you are done with your project or website. Let's say you're gonna take a week and your client would only see everything once a week is passed. But with clients there's a problem, like they want progress, right? They want to see something. So you can just share this public link and ask them to track the progress side by side, right? So that you and your client both can be happy. and open Google. If I click on this, I will be on google.com. This is happening with the interaction or integration of design and workflow together. But let's say if I want to uh, do something in my database based on this button click. I want to save like what user has uh, what user has let's say clicked, or what user have opened the website, what are the activities of the user, and I want to save it in the database, or I want to save user details, right? I want to create a new field, and I can just click on this create a new field. I'll say user name, and field type will be text or anything. You can, even the image can be uh, stored in the database. Out of it. Okay, so here we have text stuff. So now this is your database, and you can see I have some other parameters like username is we just created, token is something to do with the Google APIs I've created some days ago. So all of this now can be seen in the database, and you can use any of these values in your design or workflow, right? So and all the users, because I am the only user, so I will be only here, but all the users will also be shown here. And you can see only email is there, not any password, because password will not be accessible to anyone, even the developer. It will be hashed and stored uh, in the encrypted form, right? But the power is you can use any user account with this run as. So these are all the benefits when you use no code platform. That means you can get your website up and running in a week. Yet if you are using programming, maybe that will take a month, right? So in the plugins, you get all these plugins like API connector. I made a video how you can uh, connect Python with your bubble apps, so that's also possible with API connector. And a lot of plugins are available which you can use related to every category online, right? And you can use any of these. Stripe is for payment, calendar, Google, everything. You can use it in your apps. We will see how we can utilize all of these and create let's say we will create a marketplace together, or any other project I will think of it, and we will see how we can uh, use all of this and create something meaningful and as a startup, right? Okay, so this was the first video. I have shown you the demo. I'll meet you in the next one. For watching.